Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with WIKO U Pulse. And to do this we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case I chose the settings. Now you can either click on the power key and volume down key to take a screenshot. And the second option for that is to use 3 fingers and slide them from the top of the screen. I'm gonna go with the buttons. Now there's a full page right here, click on it. You can tap on the screen to stop the screenshot when you're satisfied with the amount of it. But I want to reach a button with it. And here the screenshot is saved. It's in the full page, as you can see. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.